In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a divider in Canva Docs. If you've ever wanted to break up sections in your document so it's easier to read, a divider is a simple, clean solution. It creates a horizontal line that visually separates headings, paragraphs, or different topics, helping your content feel organized and professional without distracting from what matters. Start by opening your Canva doc and make sure you're inside the document you want to edit. Click into the exact spot where you want the divider to appear. Placing your cursor with intention is important, because the divider will be inserted right there. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can put your cursor on a new, empty line before adding the divider, but it's not required. Now, here's the quick trick. Type /. That's the slash you get by pressing the key, usually found next to the right Shift key on most keyboards. As soon as you type the slash, Canva opens a handy quick menu that lets you insert elements without digging through toolbars. With the quick menu open, you have two easy options. You can scroll through the menu and look for the option labeled Divider, or, even faster, simply start typing the word divider. As you type, Canva filters the results, and you'll see the divider option appear almost immediately. When you see it, press Enter or Return on your keyboard, and Canva will instantly insert a clean, horizontal line at your cursor's position. That's all there is to it. If the menu doesn't appear when you type the slash, make sure your cursor is active in the body of the document and that you typed a /, not a backslash. Also check that you're working in a Canva doc, since the slash command is designed specifically for that editor. If you accidentally place the divider in the wrong spot, no worries. Just use undo to step back, click where you actually want it, and repeat the slash command. Using dividers throughout your document can help you separate a title from its content, break up long sections of text, or create space between lists and images. The key is to be consistent so your document feels cohesive and easy to navigate. And that's it. Open your document, type the slash, find divider or type divider, press enter, and you're done. A small move that makes a big difference in readability. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Canva Docs.